Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you what's in my YSL Uptown pouch. Now the purpose of this video is to show you a little idea of what fits in this pouch, so you can make an informed decision on if you'd like to get it or not. Now when I purchased this, I purchased it from the YSL website and it was $475 at the time, so it came to about $502 after tax. Currently I'm seeing it like selling for more than that. I didn't check the actual YSL website, but like places that sell this bag, they're selling it for like $525. So I may have actually already made money off of this thing. So that's something to consider as well. Now this is in the black grained leather. Let's go right into what's in this bag. Do not hate on my nails. I am in between sets. I'm about to take this set off and I am going to redo them with another full set. But anyway, that's not the point. Back to the business. All right, so let's go ahead and go with what's in this bag. Now I use this bag when I'm just jaunting around doing a quick errand and I'll only take the essentials. I think this is a great value, okay? This is like almost like a this is like a full-size clutch. It's a clutch and it looks really elegant. I think it's worth the money. So let's see what's in here. Alright, so in today's world you can't go without a mask, so today I have my Dolce & Gabbana Baroque and polka dot print mask. Love it! I got this directly from the Dolce & Gabbana website, 90 bucks, with tax about 100. This is my key, and this is my car key, and this is the car seat opener for people with like weak wrists or long nails. Alrighty, and then I have my Coach 6-ring key case, and I do have keys in it. I just don't keep my car key in it because I just like the way it looks flat like this. It does fit in there, but I just don't do it. I have my Moschino card case, and it does have cards in it. And I have my phone. This is the iPhone 6 Plus. Wait, I think it's a 6, yeah, the 6 Plus, okay? And then we have a Chanel lippy, yay! And that is what I have in there. Now, as you can see, I can actually still fit some more stuff in here, I think. So let's just put all that stuff back. iPhone 6 Plus, my 6 key case, Moschino card case, keys. Somebody cringed when they saw me put the key in like that, like, ooh, don't scratch the bag. Ooh. Like, I bought my bag didn't buy me, so we're good. And then here's the lippy. Yeah, I put it in differently last time, so I guess it all depends on how you pack it. Where did I put this last time? There, here we go. And let's see, so that's pretty good, and that closes. And now I could put something else in there. Here's a Chanel compact in its sleeve. How do I want to put that in there? I like to make everything kind of flat. And I don't know, maybe I want a scrunchie, and maybe another lippy from Smashbox, Misconduct. I don't know. Now this is kind of open, but like it kind of falls open a little bit. Maybe I'll take the lippy out. Okay. Boom. Yeah. Boom. And I will say, like, this magnet is not the strongest, but this bag is structured as such that this pretty much stays closed. Like, if this fell, like, it's most likely going to fall closed. It's most likely not going to, like, spill everything out, even though that this is not the strongest magnet. So if you don't overfill it, like, even if it falls, it shouldn't just spill stuff, like, right out. As you can see, like, I'm not really high up, but I'm going higher and higher and, oh, throwing this thing around, and so it's not opening up. And again, I could pack this better and then maybe fit this extra lippy in there. But right now, I don't know. Not now. So we'll just take the extra lippy out. Alright, whatever. Okay, so without that extra lippy, I've got pretty good in here, and it's not falling open when I'm dropping it from multiple different angles and throwing it up against this beautiful plush ottoman that I should review. Anyway, that's not the point. All right, so yeah, that's what's in my bag. Mask, scrunchie, iPhone 6 Plus, 6 key case, card case, Chanel compact, keys, big keys, and another lippy. So I mean, that's the bare essentials. You will not need any more than that anyway. So I mean, again, I think if you're in the market for like a luxury type bag and you want something that you can dress up day to night and you don't want to spend, I don't know, over like $500, this is a great choice, guys. This YSL Uptown Pouch, I highly recommend it for dipping your toe in luxury and having something really nice. And this is so classic, like, oh my gosh, this goes with everything. And I have a lookbook coming up where I style it and I dress it down, but you can also dress it up. So I'm gonna style this a little bit more because I've been doing my Louis Vuitton bag a lot lately. So, all right, but that's what's in my YSL Uptown Pouch. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And until next time, have a gorgeous day. Bye.